All right, next up, let's go ahead and begin by reading that question first, as always. And this is going to say right here, what is the discount? So whenever we're dealing with percentages, I always have to repeat this. With your formula, your percent times your original amount equals the result. I always have to remind you that the percent and the result, they represent the same thing. So here, if I'm trying to find the amount of the discount, all I have to do is plug in the percent that represents the discount. Luckily, we are given that. If you check this out right here, it says this $85 pair of running shoes, it's marked 20% off. 20% off, right there, my party people. That is a discount, flat out. So what we'll do is we'll plug in 20% because that's the discount. So we know that that'll get us the result, the actual amount of that discount. So 20% multiplied by 85 equals the result. And what I'll do now is get ready to calculate. I'll first convert that percentage into a decimal. Everyone, pop quiz. How many times do we move the decimal place over to the left? How many times? Twice. That is always when we are converting. Again, when we are converting, always twice to the left. So that is going to turn into 0.20, which can also be written as just 0.2. Either way, it's the same thing. It is the same thing. So we don't have to worry about it. I prefer using the one with less digits because it's going to make the calculation simpler. So we have 0.20 or 0.2. But again, like I said, I'm going to go with 0.2. And we're going to multiply that by 85. We're going to get the same answer no matter what. So no worries there. So we have 85 multiplied by 0.2. And let's get it done. 5 times 2, that'll give me 10, and I'll carry the 1. And then we have 8 times 2, which is 16. Carry that 1, and that'll be 17. And so it looks like 170, but it's not. Everyone, based on this display here, not 0.20, but 0.2, how many decimal places are we bringing back? Based on what you see on my screen. Yeah, 1. 1 decimal place. Right there, right here. So our final answer, our discount, is going to be a discount of $17, making our correct answer here, answer choice C.